Hello everyone, how are you all? Thanks for watching my videos and subscribing my channels. Please also share my channel to more upcoming videos, informational and educational videos, especially on Excel. Today we are going to discuss the power functions of if family like COUNTIF, SUMIF and AVERAGEIF, how we can use it to get results quickly. Now we are viewing this worksheet. We are going to count how many workers are the permanent, contractual. There are other also methods we can attain these results, but on quickly we can use like this. You can see this is equal to COUNTIF and start the bracket. This is range. What is the range? Range is each column and criteria is oh she is a permanent. How many permanent workers are? 6. Now copy and this. We can see this 5 contractual, semi-permanent and hourly. Now we can say this to also we can also use like this COUNTIF by using wildcard. This is our range and now look that started columns and you can write permanent and close this inverted commas, you will get the same results. Now you can view this by using story and permanent. Right, with permanent close the commas and bracket. There are 11. Now you can say there's 6 plus 5 having words permanent and this like this. We can also use this in like as count if. Now I'm looking in names who are having word Muhammad. Now I'm range and look is that my criteria column this Muhammad Starway close the bracket, press enter. Yes, to use comma here. You can see these there are 5 members who having name Muhammad, start of word Muhammad. Now by checking this you can see this there are 5 members who having name. Now we are going to sum up the salaries who have permanent status, how much the salaries total having permanent employees, contractual or hourly or semi. Now we are going to sum if use this on single criteria like this is our range. This is my criteria to look up in this range and this is my sum range. Press enter. You can see this. They are the sum of the salaries, the total salaries. You can view this total salaries. Yeah, by pressing it up. Also, you can verify this by pressing this is the same sum or this is the same sum. By using sum if you can find or use this on different conditions. Now we are going to review this the average salary of the permanent workers. You can view the formula as sum if. Now we are going to use it average if there is an average salary of the permanent workers. Now paste this, you will get the same average salaries. Goes to commas. I'm going to convert this to 6 permanent, contractual, semi-permanent, and hourly. Thanks for watching and viewing how we can use COUNTIF, SUMIF, and AVERAGEIF formulas on our single criterias. Now in my next video you can view that how we can use it in multiple criterias. Thank you.